What do your favorite apps, AI breakthroughs, and coding beginners all have in common? It's this, Python. The language that's reshaping the tech world, one line of code at a time. But how did this snake, language, slither into our lives and become the go-to for everything from AI to web development? Today, we're diving deep into the history of Python and how it conquered the coding world. To understand Python, we have to go back to the late 1980s. The world was grooving to cassette tapes, and computers were starting to get a bit cooler. Enter Guido van Rossum, a Dutch programmer with a vision. Tired of the overly complex programming languages, he wanted something simple, readable, and powerful enough to tackle real-world problems. Little did he know, his side project, named after his favorite comedy show, Monty Python's Flying Circus, would one day dominate the coding world. Python officially made its debut in 1991. In its early years, it was simple, clean, and fun to use. But it wasn't an instant hit. Programmers were still glued to languages like C and Java. While other languages were throwing error messages like confetti, Python came along with a message: "Don't worry, I've got this." It was readable, almost like English, and took care of the complex stuff under the hood. So, when did Python go from a niche language to the powerhouse we know today? A big part of that story starts in the early 2000s with the rise of open-source software. Python's simplicity, along with its powerful libraries, made it perfect for handling complex tasks without overwhelming developers. As companies like Google, Facebook, and Netflix grew, Python became a key tool for web development, data analysis, and automation. From there, the snake just kept growing. With the explosion of AI and data science, Python found itself at the center of innovation. So, why does everyone, from beginners to professionals, love Python? Well, it's versatile, with a library for almost anything. Want to build a website? Python's got you. Want to analyze mountains of data? Python's got you. Trying to program a robot or explore machine learning? Yep, Python's there too. As we look to the future, Python continues to evolve. Whether it's AI, quantum computing, or the next big tech breakthrough, Python will be there, guiding developers to new heights. So, the next time you open your favorite app, or marvel at AI's latest achievement, remember the language that helped make it all possible, Python. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this trip through Python's history and its rise to fame, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And if you're ready to dive deeper into coding with Python, stay tuned for more.